Changing your verification method on TikTok can help enhance your account security and improve your overall experience. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your account profile. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Select Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and find the Privacy or Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it to access your privacy settings. Step 5. Change verification method. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Remember to keep your contact information current to ensure you can receive verification codes easily.